Are you tired of seeing your crypto investments barely move the needle? Do you dream of turning $100 into a staggering $10,000 in just a few years? Well, look no further, because we're about to reveal the ultimate game-changing strategy that could make all your dreams come true. This 100 times strategy has been kept secret by top traders for too long. But today, we're going to share it with you. We'll discuss it with you section by section, so you will not be confused. Section 1. The leverage. Leverage is a powerful tool that can magnify your gains but also increase your losses. It's important to use it wisely and understand how it works before jumping into trading with leverage. Firstly, you need to choose a reputable exchange that offers leveraged trading options. Once you've opened an account, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully, especially regarding margin calls and liquidation levels. Secondly, determine the appropriate level of leverage based on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Don't over-leverage yourself, as this can quickly lead to significant losses. Thirdly, always have a stop loss in place when using leverage. This will limit your potential loss if the market moves against you. Monitor your positions closely, and don't be afraid to adjust or close them if necessary. Leverage can amplify both profits and losses, so it's crucial to stay vigilant at all times. In short, leverage can be a valuable tool for increasing profits in crypto trading, but should be used cautiously with proper risk management strategies in place. Section 2. The Account Growth Rules. Account growth rules are some of the most important aspects you need to consider if you're planning on achieving long-term success in crypto trading. These rules will help you manage your funds, control your risks, and ensure that you don't lose all your money in one go. The first rule is to always maintain a proper risk-to-reward ratio. This means that for every trade you take, the potential rewards should at least be twice as high as the potential risks involved. This way, even if you lose a few trades, you'll still end up with more profits than losses over time. Another key rule is to never invest more than 5% of your total capital in any single trade. This helps spread out your risks and ensures that no single loss can wipe out too much of your account. You also need to set clear profit targets for yourself before entering into any trade. Once these targets are reached, take profits immediately and move on to the next opportunity. Always keep a detailed record of all your trades and their outcomes so that you can learn from both successes and failures alike. By following these account growth rules diligently, you'll increase your chances of growing $100 into $10,000 through crypto trading by 2023 using our game-changing 100 times strategy. Section 3. The Trading Strategy. A successful trading strategy is essential when it comes to crypto trading. It requires knowledge, patience, and discipline. Here are some tips on how to develop a solid trading strategy. Firstly, identify the market trends and analyze them thoroughly before making any decisions. Secondly, determine your risk tolerance levels and set up stop-loss orders accordingly. This helps you minimize losses in the event of unfavorable market conditions. Thirdly, diversify your portfolio by investing in different cryptocurrencies that have varying degrees of volatility. This reduces the chances of significant losses if one cryptocurrency underperforms. Fourthly, keep an eye on news developments related to the industry, as they can significantly impact prices. Always be mindful of emotions such as fear or greed, which could cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decision-making. Stick strictly to your pre-planned strategies at all times, regardless of what happens in the markets. Section 4. The Risk Reward. One of the essential aspects of successful crypto trading is understanding risk-reward ratios. The risk-reward ratio is the amount you stand to lose versus how much profit you could potentially make from a trade. When considering risk, it's crucial to determine your acceptable level of loss. This varies depending on your financial situation and investment goals. As a general rule, never invest more than you can afford to lose. On the other hand, calculating potential rewards involves analyzing market trends and predicting price movements accurately. When executed correctly, taking calculated risks can result in substantial returns on investment. It's also important to maintain discipline while managing trades by setting stop-loss orders or using trailing stops, which allow profits to run while limiting losses. This strategy ensures that even if a trade goes against expectations, losses are kept to an acceptable minimum. In summary, crypto trading requires careful consideration of both potential gains and possible losses before opening any position. Calculating risk-reward ratios helps traders remain disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than sound analysis. The world of crypto trading is constantly evolving and requires continuous learning and adaptation to succeed. The 100-time strategy outlined in this video can be a game changer for those looking to transform $100 into $10,000 by 2023. However, it's important to remember that there are risks involved in any trading activity. To maximize your chances of success, always practice responsible risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, consider joining a community or mentorship program where you can learn from experienced traders and receive support along the way. By using leverage wisely, following account growth rules, and implementing a solid trading strategy with proper risk-reward ratios, you could potentially achieve great returns on your investment while minimizing risks. Remember, patience and discipline are key when it comes to achieving long-term success in crypto trading. With dedication and an open mind toward new opportunities as they arise, anyone has the potential to become one of tomorrow's leading crypto traders. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you liked it, be sure to show your support with a like and share it with your friends and family. To stay on top of financial matters, subscribing and hitting the notification bell is highly recommended. This way, you'll be among the first to know when new content is released.